Whilst I wait for those changes to download, I'm going to quickly show you a bit of Screenfeed Connect. If I go back to my content menu here, head down to Connect, and I'm going to hit Open Connect. This will open in a brand new window and I'll immediately be taken to the Screenfeed Connect app. It's worth noting that the content that you have available in the Screenfeed application will depend on what bundles or what individual apps you have purchased through Signagelive. Here we are in Screenfeed Connect. This is an application where we can create apps and we can connect data sources to particular apps. This allows you to create dynamic content that is always up to date, and it actually saves you the effort of having to go in and publish new content every time you want new changes on your screens. Today though, I'm just going to create an app from a template. So let's head over to the templates over here, and I'm going to create a 1-week calendar. This one will do. I'm going to create an app from this particular template. Of course, you can go in and you can create templates from scratch, and I urge you to do so. It's a lot of fun building these apps, and especially because it's no code, it's easier for the people like me who aren't too familiar with coding. But nonetheless, here we are in Screenfeed Connect, and this is our calendar app we've got here. Now, everything is in place here from the text and all of the particular parameters. We can now connect data sources to those parameters and have them change in real time. So you can make changes outside of your digital signage application, such as a calendar application. Today we'll do this with Google Calendar because that's what I have access to. So if I click on the calendar here and click replace data source, I can now go in and connect this to a data source of my choosing. I've already created a calendar here, but for the sake of showing you guys, I'm going to create a new one. I'm already logged in with my Google account here. You would of course log in with whatever calendar account you want to use. I'm going to choose this calendar here, which is the calendar for this boardroom that I'm in right now. I'm going to hit continue. It's defining my column, so it's pulling some test data from previous bookings of this particular room. I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to have this sync every 15 minutes, so every time a new event is added to this calendar, it will add it to my app here as well. I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to give this connection a name. I'm going to call it Signagelive Boardroom Calendar. Press continue, and now my connection has been created. So if I now close this, I can now change the data source for this calendar here. So if I click on this and then click data, I can replace the data source and select my Signagelive Boardroom Calendar. And now you can see that is immediately updated with all of my calendar bookings for this particular room. And once again, I can hit publish, and that's immediately going to put this into my Signagelive content library. So if I jump back over to Signagelive once again, go to my recently added, and you can see that my 1-week calendar that I've created is right here. And once again, I can drag and drop that into a playlist, publish it to my player, and then I have Screenfeed content, Connect content, dynamic, data-driven content on my digital signage player. I'll make some more detailed videos on Screenfeed Connect, but that was just a quick overview of how I can connect data sources to my digital signage content and use that to create dynamic content. If you have any more questions, please do get in touch and we'd be more than happy to answer them.